Have you ever wondered how to smoke wings on a charcoal grill without messing them up? Yeah, I used to struggle with that too. But then I figured out a simple trick that totally changed my game. And today I'm going to share that trick with you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to smoke wings on a charcoal grill. We'll go from prepping them with the perfect seasoning to picking the best cooking method. Plus, I'll share a few tips that I've picked up over the years to make sure your wings turn out juicy, flavorful, and perfect every single time. So grab a cold drink and let's get these wings smoking. First things first, let's talk about prep. You can't just toss frozen wings on the grill and hope for the best. You just can't. And here's what you need to do. If your wings are frozen, you gotta thaw them properly. You can either let them sit overnight in the fridge, or if you're in a rush, put them in a cold water bath for a quick thaw. Just make sure that they're fully thawed. Half-thawed wings will cook unevenly, and we don't want that. So now, grab some paper towels and dry those wings thoroughly. It might sound like a small step, but it makes a huge difference. Dry wings get crispier and allow the seasoning to really stick. For some extra flavor, let them marinate for a couple hours. A simple marinade like Italian dressing, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and a bit of hot sauce gives the wings a savory kick. Want even more flavor? Marinate them overnight. The longer they sit, the juicier they get. And marinating isn't just about flavor, it helps tenderize the meat. So when you take the first bite, it gets juicy and it's packed with flavor. It's a secret to wings that just melts in your mouth. No time to marinate? No worries, just use a dry rub. A mix of salt, pepper, garlic, and any barbecue rub works perfect. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and you're good to go. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget to season both sides of the wings for that full and mouth-watering taste. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to backyard barbecue and want a little extra help with cooking times and temperatures, I've got a free guide that makes everything super easy for you. It covers everything from meats to veggies and is perfect for getting started. Just drop a 100 in the comments and I'll send it your way. Now for the fun part, getting your smoker ready. Alright, get your smoker going and set it to 250 degrees to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a sweet spot where the magic happens. Kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for crispy skin and smoky flavor. Oh, and speaking of Goldilocks, did your kids love that story at bedtime? Well, let me know in the comments. Time to kick it up a notch. Add some wood chips. Cherry or hickory work great. Those wood chips will fill your smoker with that delicious smoky aroma, and trust me, your wings will soak it all up. Place your wings on the racks inside the smoker. This is key for the even heat distribution. Just make sure not to overcrowd them. Give them a space so they cook evenly. The air needs to circulate. Every 30 minutes, flip those wings. Not only does it help them cook evenly, but it's also the perfect time to check the seasoning. If they need a little extra love, give them a sprinkle of the seasoning for that extra kick. And here comes some bonus tips. When you're smoking or grilling, don't cram the wings all together. Space is key to getting that crispy skin. Overcrowding just traps the heat and the moisture, and we want those wings to crisp up, not steam. Use a meat thermometer. I recommend aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit for fully cooked wings, but if you want that skin extra crispy, shoot for 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The extra heat breaks down the meat and gives you wings that are tender and full of flavor. If you're a fan of saucy wings, add your favorite sauce right before serving. Now, who doesn't love a good dipping sauce? I know that I do, so let's talk about a homemade blue cheese dip. It's super easy to make, and here's how. Start with a half cup of sour cream and a half cup of mayo. Crumble about a half cup of blue cheese into the mix. You can buy the pre-crumbled, or you can get a wedge and crumble it yourself. Squeeze a little lemon juice to brighten up the dip. It cuts through that richness and balances out the flavor perfectly. Add a pinch of garlic powder or onion powder for that extra depth of flavor, then season with salt and pepper and mix it all together until it's creamy smooth. I suggest making this dip the day before so the flavors really have time to come together. We have the wings and we have the dipping sauce, but for an added touch, serve these wings with some crunchy carrots or celery sticks. They're the perfect balance to the richness of the wings, plus they add a refreshing crunch. When it comes to presentation, make your wings look even more appetizing by arranging them on a platter with some extra sauce on the side. It not only makes for a great presentation, but also keeps cleanup a breeze. Throwing a party and not sure how many wings to make or what size to serve? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I put together the perfect wing party planner to make it super easy for you. You can grab the link in the comments below. So there you have it. Now you know how to smoke wings on a charcoal grill. But hold on, there's more. If you think these wings are amazing, just wait until you see how to make the perfect smoked chicken. I've got even more tips to help you make juicy, flavorful chicken every single time. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Click on the video right here to learn how to make the best smoked chicken you've ever had. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more grilling tips. And share your favorite wing tips or recipes in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. They'll thank you when they taste these wings. I'll see you there.